How to make money online. Number 1. Pick up freelance work online. Number 2. Test websites and apps. Number 3. Pick up tasks on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Number 4. Take surveys for money. And number 5. Make money from your blog as an affiliate marketing. Number 6. Sell your wares on Stay. Number 7. Get advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. And number 8. Become an Instagram influencer. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to get our channel to get more daily updates. Thank you.